somewhere to meet greet. Jamie will be opening that gangster corner. This event is super cool and hotter than a sauna. Live it up August 3rd through the 10th. Make sure that you attend this event. Lewis needs to lock down his first MVP, and if I win that MVP, everybody gon' envy me. That's for real. I gotta keep it real. What's the deal? Zach should bring his floor meds in case we get ill. Trip will not show, but what else is new? You know Joey's gonna bring the jerseys. That's what it do. Is Ted gonna be too busy in New York to come to the show, man? We need your support, but it's all good. We'll have fun chilling in the sun until the event is done. Beach week on Clayton Street. I'll see you on the 3rd through the 10th. Can't wait to meet.